Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. All the videos of GK Today are absolutely free and available on GK Today's YouTube channel. And if you are looking for interactive quizzes in text and also their solutions, please download GK Today's Academy Android app. We have several free and paid courses in that app. Now this particular series is of 60 videos and in each video we are going to discuss select 15 questions and we shall also do 500 test questions after end of this series. Now let's start with the questions on Indian polity. So the first question is, Riksdag is the name of the parliament of which of the following? You have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is Sweden. So the Riksdag is the national legislature and the supreme decision-making body of the government of Sweden. Now the next question is, Pyuthu-Lato is the lower house of the parliament of which among the following countries? You have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is Myanmar. So the House of Representatives or Pyuthu-Lato is the lower house of Phayadangsu-Lato, the bicameral legislature of Myanmar. The next question is, with which of the following countries National People's Congress is related to? You have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is China. So the National People's Congress, also called as the National People's Congress of the People's Republic of China, is the highest organ of state power and the national legislature of China. Now the next question is, which of the following countries' lower house is called Jeolong Shokdu? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is Bhutan. So the Parliament of Bhutan, Gyalong Shokang, is formed of King of Bhutan along with the two houses, lower house called National Assembly, that is Gyalong Shokdu, and the upper house called the National Council, that is called Gyalong Shokde. Now the next question is, All Thing is the national parliament of which among the following? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is Iceland. And please note that All Thing is the oldest functioning parliamentary institution in the world that was established in 1930 AD. Now the next question is, the upper house of Egypt is known as which of the following? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is Shura Council. So the upper house of Egypt parliament is known as Shura Council. Now the next question is, which of the following became the first member country of United Nations to leave International Criminal Court? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is Burundi. So recently, Burundi became the first United Nations country ever to leave the International Criminal Court. Burundi withdrew from the Rome Statute on October 18, 2016. Now the next question is, consider following statements about Performance Grading Index. So the first statement is, the Human Resource Development HRD Ministry is compiling this schooling index. Second, the index will assess states on a 500-point grading system. So you have the following options and which of the above are correct statements. So you have to identify the correct statement. So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A. That is only first statement is correct. See, the index is aimed at helping states understand where they may be lagging behind, and the index will assess states on a 1000-point grading system with 10 to 20 points per parameter. Now the next question is, Goswami Committee was appointed in which year? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is in the year 1990. So the Goswami Committee was appointed in the year 1990 and the committee recommended for a time limit for by-elections, and it also recommended for a check on advertisements on newspapers and strengthening of the Election Commission of India. Thank you so much. So this was all for today's video and we hope that you like our new initiative. So please do provide your feedback in our comment section. And stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Thank you.